Hey guys, Mike Potts with Lakeshore RV. Today we're looking at the 2022 Keystone Outback 328RL. Price checking in at $48,999, $377 a month. We do finance nationwide, so we can take care of that. If you live a ways away and you don't want to drive up, we can ship it to your door. You can reach out to me personally on my cell, 231-215-2750. That's call or text. Call us at the store, 231-788-2040, or check us out on the web, lakeshore-rv.com. Let's check this thing out. All right, guys, huge rear living in this and a double fridge. Now, this is a big one. Total length 37.7, and its weight dry is going to be 8,700 pounds. So we're going to make sure we have enough truck to pull it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, please reach out to me personally at 231-215-2750. Feel free to call or text. Hit us up at the store, 231-788-2040. Check us out on the web, lakeshore-rv.com. And keep in mind, guys, we have the nationwide financing, and we also have nationwide shipping, so we can literally take care of everything right here at Lakeshore RV. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much.